Happy Easter and welcome to the penultimate day of our big spring clean sale at Tonic Studios, where you can enjoy exclusive craft bundles at outstanding prices, added daily until Easter Monday. Your first bundle today is a Craft Perfect watercolour card bundle with 3 pads of watercolour card in A2, A6 and A4. Create your next masterpiece with its essential collection, available at 60% off. Next, we have a Nuvo Aqua pen bundle containing 5 3-pen packs of our popular trend colour palettes, perfect for colouring or creating backgrounds, and available this weekend at 75% off. We have an essential cutting tools bundle next containing the must-have super trimmer, a 9mm and 12mm craft knife, available at half price. Finally, we have a Decorative Duo sentiment die set bundle with 3 sentiment sets that help you choose the right message for the occasion, available now at 65% off. That's day 10 of our big spring clean sale. Get these limited edition bundles while you can and check back tomorrow for our final day of amazing deals.